Ali is never idle on set. He's always doing some toy in his head.
Bollywood is great for me. I prepared by not preparing for it, actually. It really hasn't sunk in.
I'm Benjamin Button. It's great.
I believe in dreaming big.
You seen Ye Sali Zindagi?
I have.
Yeah. So all the kissing in that was completely valid.
अगर फिल्म अच्छी ना हो या कहानी अच्छी ना हो तो फिर तो यूज किया जाना चाहिए उसे बेचने के लिए. I'm a big Salman Khan fan actually.
सुनने से जनिया तेरे संग दुनिया ऐसे जैसे हर सुबह है जिया नहीं जाए रे तेरे बिन हाय रे तुमसे ही हमको प्यार है.
How did you prepare yourself for the character in this film?
How did I prepare myself?
Yeah.
Well, I do make sure that as soon as I wake up, I brush my teeth because we're doing very intimate scenes in the film sometimes. So that's my first. And after that, I do remember that it's a very feel-good, natural film. I mean, like two people in real life, and they were walking and talking, whatever, and the crew was actually shooting it. So we've tried to keep it as real and as believable as possible. And I prepared by not preparing for it, actually. So, just so that I don't come up with a baggage of certain perception about my character or about anything else. So, I don't know. That's how I...
Aditi, your first film was like Rama Bua in Delhi 6, and then it was like a mother of a kid in Ye Sali Zindagi, and now you're working as a full-fledged actress. So do you think it's like your life hasn't been in a reverse gear? How has it been?
Possibly. Actually, you're right, because even my ad career has been in reverse gear. But I don't know why that is. But sometimes it's also given me the opportunity to do something that I would have probably never done if I had somebody actually advising me to do all the right things. So it's okay, you learn from everything. And even Ye Sali Zindagi, I mean, she was a mother of a kid, but she was a very young mother. That was what the film was about. So I don't think that matters. And I think now we have fabulous producers, Fox, and it doesn't matter to them. And I think everybody has moved beyond that. So, but it's fun, right? I'm Benjamin Button. It's great.
I have a couple of questions to Ali. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for the success of Dulhan. I want to ask you, has the success sunk in by now?
Yes, I've become extremely proud and arrogant. And
No,
I don't go to press cons anymore. No, actually, that's a good question. It really hasn't sunk in because it has been a blur because we were promoting the film first. We were doing tours and concerts and all. And a little lack of sleep. And after that, I had to finish work. And I wouldn't want it to sunk in like that because I can't let it go to my head. I think I worked it as an artist in the film. And a film is made with teamwork. I mean, I know that we heroes do take a lot of credit out of it, but it's a teamwork basically. From writing to director to everybody on the sets to the spot boys to the lighting people. I think they work harder than we do in some aspects. And we just managed to make a good film, but... and then thank you to the public and everybody for making it so successful.
Since you started with Tere Bin Laden, which was an independent film, a small budget film, and then you do a Yash Raj film, and now you are doing with Fox, which are like big production houses. So did you anticipate that your career will take such a big jump when you actually started?
I believe in dreaming big, and I like to give myself targets and goals which are up there, so I can struggle for that. But I feel very lucky and blessed that in a very short span of time, more than anything else here, I've just made some good friends.
हमने हमेशा आपको अभिषेक के साथ फिल्म करते देखा है. ड्रोना वाज योर लास्ट फिल्म. सो आर यू मूविंग फॉरवर्ड लाइक आपके करियर में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं बिकॉज देयर इज नो अभिषेक बच्चन इन योर फिल्म्स, 2 फिल्म्स, वन इज विद जॉन एंड वन इज विद अली जाफर. सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दिस?
नहीं, ऐसा मतलब अभिषेक मेरा भाई है. अभिषेक की कंपनी है ये. अभिषेक को हर रोज़ प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में पता है जो कि हम बना रहे हैं, और जो आगे भी बना रहे हैं. It's all dependent on the role and the script, and we feel Ali is the best choice for this film, so we've gone ahead with Ali for this film. It's as simple as that.
In your last movie, you were seen kissing your co-actor a lot of times.
Good grief, yes.
Yes, and over here, what has been known to us is that you and Ali would be having a lot of intimate scenes in the movie as well. So what are we looking at right now? A choir version of Malika Sherawat?
What do I say to that? Okay, have you seen Ye Sali Zindagi?
I have.
Yeah. So all the kissing in that was completely valid. It was so organic to the film, right?
Absolutely.
And I think it's the intention behind whatever scene it is that you put in the film. And if that is an honest intention, then I think that it doesn't upset the viewer or the actor in any way. And I think that is so in our film as well. I mean, if we didn't have an intimate scene, you would think, what is wrong with these people? Which world do they live in? So I think sometimes it's necessary. And if it's done beautifully, I would not use the word aesthetic, but if it's done beautifully, it's really, I think it's lovely to watch. It's fine.
Is there any kind of dream role you will like to play? You have got.
Oh God, there's so many. I'd like to do like an epic romance one. I'd like to do the role of a dancer because I'm a trained dancer. With whom? Let me say Ali Zafar. For now, yeah, it might change, but for now. But yeah, I'd like to do I don't know what. There are lots of films that I'd like to do, but I think these are the two main ones.
अली अदिति आपसे ये पूछेंगे कि यूजुअली जब भी कोई सीन्स होते हैं इंटीमेट सीन्स होते हैं तो मूवी को प्रमोट करने के लिए जो भी प्रोमोस फर्स्ट प्रोमोस या सेकंड प्रोमोस आउट होते हैं तो उन सीन्स को यूज़ किया जाता है या एक्शंस की बात कर ले तो उनको जो ज़बरदस्त सीन्स होते हैं उनको यूज़ किया जाता है. तो आपकी मूवी में किस तरह से सीन्स को प्रोमोस में किस तरह से यूज़ किया जा रहा है कि नहीं और इस पर आपका क्या टेक है?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर फिल्म अच्छी ना हो या कहानी अच्छी ना हो तो फिर तो यूज़ किया जाना चाहिए उसे बेचने के लिए. लेकिन सिंस वी आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड श्योर ऑफ आवर स्टोरी एंड व्हाट वी आर मेकिंग, आई डोंट थिंक दैट हम जब तक की ज़रूरत ना हो ऐसा कुछ करेंगे. दूसरी चीज़ ये कि बहुत शुरू में मैं थोड़ा मजाक में इंटीमेट सीन्स और उन चीज़ का जिक्र कर रहा था. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये फिल्म उस जोन में है. कहीं कहीं पे थोड़ा सा हाथ पकड़ा है दूर से और ऐसे है, तो वो जहाँ रिक्वायरमेंट होती है वो वहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत वो है. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि बट इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल नाइस स्वीट इंटरेस्टिंग लव स्टोरी विच विल जो बहुत से इसके शेड्स हैं अंदर. और एज एन एक्टर मेरे पास बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी थी कि मैं उन डिफरेंट शेड्स को एक्सपीरियंस कर सकूं प्यार के. और वही हमने कोशिश की कि जब आप सिनेमा जाएं तो किसी एक इमोशन के साथ बाहर ना निकलें. ज़रा थरथल्ली भी मचे, थोड़ा दिल ऐसे वैसे यहाँ वहाँ करते करते अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को फ़ोन करें कि सॉरी रात को जो तुमसे कहा था वो जो भी है. तो
after the success of Dabang and Bodyguard and Singham, almost every of the actor is planning to do the action kind of movies. So don't you intend to do this action movies?
let's see. I mean, I haven't come across a script which would require me to play an action, but I'm very fond of playing action. I think every hero is. एक इधर से मारा 6 उधर गए, इधर किया 12 उधर से उड़ गए. And तो इस फिल्म में पूरी फिल्म मैंने शर्ट उतार के की है, आखिर में मैं शर्ट पहन लेता हूँ.
This is just reverse to Salman.
No, I'm joking. I'm a big Salman Khan fan actually. So if I do action, I would like to do something, something like he does in future. But for that, I'll have to work very hard and all that. हम लोग लंदन में ठहरे थे हाइड पार्क के सामने. तो आदिति की आदत है कि ये अपना फ़ोन पता नहीं कहाँ रख के भूल जाती है. कि तो हमारा प्लान बनता था कि चलो जॉगिंग के लिए चलते हैं सामने. तो मैं नीचे खड़ा होके वेट करता रहता था कि कहाँ हो, तो आ नहीं रही हो. तो ये ओहो मैं सो गई थी.
सो गई थी
तो और क्या, सोती बहुत. लेकिन बहुत interesting experiences.
Did your musical career take a sideline? But I think this answers that question.
Yeah, and I do feel, Bollywood is great for me because see what happens is that Bollywood movies have songs. So I sing songs and I act. So I'm doing both of them together. And since this will be like an album, there'll be a London, Paris, New York album which will have about 6, 7 songs. So the audiences will have a film of me and a music album by me as well at the same time.
I should be answering that because Ali is never idle on set. He's always doing some twin in his head with his iPhone and always making some tune or the other. So music career is never taking a backseat.
Sing together.
What?
Okay, you sing, I'll join you. Whatever you want to.
Say some song.
सुन रे सजनिया तेरे संग दुनिया ऐसे जैसे हर सुबहार है जिया नहीं जाए रे तेरे बिन हाय रे तुमसे ही हमको प्यार है सुन रे सजनिया तेरे संग दुनिया ऐसे जैसे हर सुबहार है जिया नहीं जाए रे तेरे बिन हाय रे तुमसे ही हमको प्यार है को बचाए रे हमसे छुपाए रे ऐसा करना बेकार है जिया नहीं जाए रे हमें तड़पाए रे क्यों इतना इनकार है सुन रे सजनिया तेरे संग दुनिया ऐसे जैसे हर सुबहार है जिया नहीं जाए रे तेरे बिन हाय रे तुमसे ही हमको प्यार है